So where are we? Where are we?
We're in the mess hall right now where the crew and some of the staff will eat on the ship. So during underway, we'll have about 4-hour watches and 8-hour periods where we're off. And it rotates between 3 different groups. So usually when you're off of watch, you'll come down here, you'll get some of your food and eat. You can see we can sit about 5 to 6 people, shoulder to shoulder, kind of tight in there, you know, but there's only about 40 on board, 40 to 45, 30 midshipmen. So at a decent time, we'll have about 10 to 15 people down here. We usually put the food right here. The other night we had lasagna, salad, and salad dressing, and some extra things you can grab to eat. Make your plate, sit down right over here, and if this gets full, then we'll move this stuff to the galley, which I'll show you right in a second. And we'll sit down and just have a good time, communicate, and eat food.
So is it family style?
Yes, yes, family style, always family style. Even at the academy, we get served family style. Everyone kind of has that conversation together.
Is there somebody who, if they take too much, you have to go,
Usually, everyone's respectful. We'll get one serving first, and then if there's extras, everyone's rushing back in to get more. So,
now, is there a standard measure of what's one serving?
Oh, it's tough. Usually it's about 1 spoonful. You know, you get a little thing of lasagna, you cut out a decent, like maybe 2-3 inch square. That's probably like the best measurement I could say. Yeah. Other than that, it's like a spoonful of rice. I mean, you can take as many veggies as you want though. Most people usually skip out on those.
Well, I'll tell you what, all of you are varsity level athletes, so you're going to have to be making good food to keep these people fed. I mean,
yes.
It's a big day to feed a bunch of young adults.
It is. That's why we always have extra food as well. We have extra Jimmy Dean sandwiches, and we also have Frosted Flakes and some milks in there as well.
Nice.
Which I can show you right now.
We're looking forward to seeing the Frosted Flakes.
So we're in the galley, and we're about to see what's behind the secret door over here.
Secret door.
So what's behind this door?
Well, this is the provisions and storeroom. Right now, we just have some Frosted Flakes, ketchups, mustard, mayo, syrup. We have some extra fresh fruit and produce under here. Apples, green apples, and just extra storage stuff, so plates, napkins, utensils, extra things you'll need in a galley or anywhere like normally you'll eat. As I close this up.
Now, do they keep this locked, or anybody can get it at any time?
Anyone can get it at any time. Okay. If you're hungry, just come on down and get something to eat. If you're not on watch, just feel free to come on down and get something to eat. So the cooks will cook right here. Everyone will cook at one point during the YP trip. You have your 4 pan areas. You have a little griddle right here, and an oven which can be operated through those knobs right there, and the power button off to the left. That's about it here, really. We just clean this up as much as possible. We have a vent and a galley hood. The important thing though on the YP is this hatch right here. Whenever you're cooking, you got to open up this hatch because the smoke will go right out and it won't sound the fire alarm. If the fire alarm goes off, it shuts down the engines and the power. So we'll be stopped in the water until we turn the oven off. You don't really want to do that. Right over here we have regular toaster, plugged in and secured, so that way when the waves get big and everyone's getting seasick again, it's not going around and turning everywhere. Right here, just your regular microwave. Up here, just cabinet space, regular stuff. Then we also have a freezer right here on our left and a refrigerator on our right. Freezer will have like frozen chicken in there, French toast sticks, a lot of vegetables frozen in there. And on the right we'll keep like salad, milk, some other products that'll expire if they're left out. So this one's pretty busy though, because usually people are getting milk for the Frosted Flakes to snack on. And then right over here we just have our sink area and a little coffee maker. So you can see it's kind of tight, cramped in here. If you got a couple pots, you know, the water's going. One of the neat things though is if you have the water running when you're underway and the boat's swaying, the water will go straight down and turn side to side. So sometimes you'll have it right here and the water's falling into this part of the sink. And you're like, wait a minute, what's going on here? So it's pretty neat.
So that little coffee thing here, is that enough capacity for everybody? Or does that run all the time?
It runs all the time. You got to keep it going, keep it going. A lot of people like their coffee on here, so you got to keep it going 24/7 and make sure people are energized. You have those, you know, late night, early morning watches, and people need their caffeine. So,
all right.